Ever feel like there's just not enough hours in the day to manage your business tasks? Well, you're not alone. Everyday entrepreneurs grapple with a myriad of tasks, from meeting deadlines to brainstorming new ideas and everything in between. Time constraints become a constant enemy, and maintaining a healthy work-life balance seems like a distant dream. Prioritizing tasks becomes a Herculean effort. But what if there was a way to help manage these daily tasks more effectively? The first step to managing your daily schedule is prioritizing your tasks. Now, what does this mean? Well, it's about identifying the tasks that are most important and urgent, and then focusing your energy and time on them. This isn't just about ticking off tasks on a to-do list. It's about recognizing the value of each task and allocating your resources accordingly. Think of your tasks as investments. The more important and urgent a task is, the higher the return on your time and effort. Prioritizing tasks can have several benefits. It can boost your productivity as you are directing your efforts where they count the most. It can also reduce stress because you're not scrambling to get everything done at once. It's about working smarter, not harder. Understanding the importance and urgency of your tasks is the key. Once you've prioritized your tasks, it's time to plan your day. After prioritizing, the next step is to plan your day. Planning your day is like drafting a blueprint for a building. It gives you a clear vision of what needs to be done and when. It helps you manage your time more effectively and keeps you on track. So, how do you create a daily plan? Start by breaking your tasks into manageable chunks. If you have a large project on your plate, don't try to tackle it all at once. Break it down into smaller tasks that you can handle easily. This way you can make steady progress without feeling overwhelmed. Next, don't forget to schedule breaks. Just like a well-oiled machine, your brain needs time to rest and recharge. A short break after every few tasks can do wonders for your productivity. Remember, the goal is not to fill every minute of your day with work, but to work smarter, not harder. With a solid plan in place, you're ready to tackle your day. While having a plan is crucial, it's equally important to stay flexible. Yes, flexibility is the secret sauce that keeps your schedule from turning into a straitjacket. It's about being adaptable, ready to respond to unexpected events, and willing to adjust your plan as the day unfolds. Imagine your schedule as a roadmap, not a railroad track. It's there to guide you, but you're the one in the driver's seat. Allocate some buffer time in your schedule for the unforeseen tasks that pop up. A surprise client call, a sudden brainstorming session, or even a much-needed coffee break. These are the realities of everyday business life. Flexibility is also about understanding that not everything goes according to plan. Some tasks take longer, some shorter. Don't be disheartened if you have to shuffle things around. It's better to adjust your schedule than to fall into the trap of frustration and stress. Remember, the goal is not to stick to the plan rigidly, but to use it as a guide to help manage your day. Let's take a moment to recap the steps to managing your daily schedule effectively. Our journey began with the understanding of the daily struggle, where we dove into the chaos that can come from an unmanaged schedule. We learned that the first step out of this chaos is to prioritize tasks. It's crucial to identify the tasks that are vital for your business and give them the attention they deserve. This step is about recognizing what's important and what's not, which in turn helps us make better use of our time. Next, we moved on to planning your day. Instead of jumping into tasks head first, we learned the importance of taking a moment each morning to plan out your day. This simple habit can make a world of difference. It's like having a roadmap for your day, helping you navigate through tasks with ease and efficiency. Then we explored the importance of staying flexible. No matter how well we plan, unforeseen circumstances will inevitably pop up. By staying flexible, we allow ourselves to adapt and make changes on the fly. This step is about building resilience and embracing change, which is key in the fast-paced world of business. With these steps, you're well on your way to managing your daily schedule more effectively. Remember, it's all about working smarter, not harder.